Okay, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your gear shift indicator on a 2008 Ford Ranger. Here's the problem: you get in your truck, you go to put it in gear, and the gear indicator is just all over the place. And for mine, it just worked itself over there in the corner, and it's just sitting there. The part is broken. You can see when you shift through your gears, nothing happens. Okay, for the first step in this process, first thing you're going to need to do is take off this outer plastic cover right here. I believe it has 4 screws. It has one right here. It has 2 underneath there. Not sure if you can see that. Can't get it to focus. And then we have another screw right here at the bottom. So that's 4 screws. You need to take it out. And you can do that with a 7mm wrench. Okay, one thing I failed to notice is that when you're taking the 2 screws out the bottom of here, you may need a extension on there to reach. Failed to notice that. And to get this piece off, you just kind of lift up and it comes right off like so. And the next step will be taking out these 4 screws right here. Excuse me, that's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, and when removing those 5 screws on this second cover, I found that a 8mm socket fits that perfect. Okay, now that I got that other piece off, you can look right here and you can see what the problem is. The problem is, get it, make sure it's focused, is this piece right here. You can see that it's broke off from right there. That piece broke off. I've seen guys take that bracket and glue it back together, but I found the piece online for 10 bucks. So yeah, I found that on Amazon for 10 bucks. So I just thought it would be better just to buy a new one and just replace it. Okay, and to get that screw off, you're going to need a 7/32 socket size. And when you put it back on, you're also going to have to put this piece back on the hook. And for that, you can either use some needle nose pliers or maybe just a small screwdriver to help you slip that back on there. Alright, and to get this piece off, once you get it unhooked, all you do is just twist it around like so until it comes completely off, and then you put the new one back on. Okay, so I took the old broken pieces off. I guess it just got old and brittle. It feels like that way. It's just cheap plastic. I suppose it gets brittle over time. Alright, now I got my new piece on. You just screw that back on, screw it the opposite way, and put your screw back in so you can slip this over that slot right there. And then once I bolt that on, I'll take this end and hook it back over this screw right there. Okay, now I just found out that I do have a flashlight option when using my camera for recording. Sorry the rest of it was so dark, but as you can tell, I have the piece back bolted on, and I have that back on its hook. And all you got to do to adjust where you want it at is just slide this little black piece either up or down, and you can watch it. You can see how it moves on the indicator, and that looks pretty good to me. Let's crank it up and give it a see how it works. Okay, reverse, neutral, and drive. I like those settings. Thanks for watching.